What's going on, guys? Sorry for the hiatus. Sorry about the hiatus I keep taking. This past couple weeks, the weather has been completely crappy. It's been sad. It's been raining every weekend, so I figured, I'd rather put out. I don't know. I'm kind of stuck right now. Watching a video, and the guy brought up a good point. It's always better to put out something than nothing. I'm such a particular I'm so particular about my videos that it's kind of like I want everything to be perfect. I want the good camera, I want the good sound, I want the good lighting, I want great editing, I want all this stuff. And I've been cheating, y'all. Yes, I need to take more time on editing my videos. I need more time on making sure I put out a good product. That I've been slacking on that. That I've been just doing what I thought was the best I can, but obviously I'm not doing everything I can to learn more, to do more, to be better about this. And as you can tell by as quiet it is, and as low as we are, not in the Jeep right now, in my wife's car, her 2007 Volkswagen Beetle, inline 5, 2.5 liter, and I've been driving this. The Jeep was just killing me in gas back and forth to work every day until we get the golf going. But I've been driving this around for the past couple days, and I've noticed a couple things. So I figured, hey, let's make a 5 things I dislike about the Volkswagen Beetle. The 2007 new Beetle. Not the newest Beetle, but the Beetle. It's a new Beetle, but it's not the new Beetle. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. The 5 things I hate about the Volkswagen Beetle is, the first thing is the interior. Interior is kind of like, the armrest is cheap, the handle, like, stuff breaks really easy if you're not careful with it. So that's one of the things. It's just the interiors are very cheaply made. The second thing I dislike about the Volkswagen Beetle is it's got the typical Volkswagen roof or headlight problems. The headlines are stretched so thin, stretched so much, and the adhesive is so cheap that the headliner just kind of gives out over time. It's like Volkswagen's like, yeah, we'll give you a headliner for a little bit, and then you can make your own headliner, or you can pay an arm and a leg to get ours. So that's the second thing, is the headliner, which is every Volkswagen headliner. Why? You would think they would have got fixed or got this taken care of. Hopefully it's on the newer ones. The third thing I dislike about it, it's not really a dislike thing, is you gotta make sure the maintenance history on these things are good. Especially with the inline 5 cylinder that they have. The older ones used to have, the older ones, the first couple years that they did them, had timing chain issues. So if you get the new Beetle, that's starting this again, but if you get the new Beetle, make sure. Fourth thing is, it's so hard to change out a headlight, it's not even funny. It's so hard to change out a taillight because you feel like you're going to break the damn thing off. You can't make it any easier. I know you don't got a lot of room to work with the front end and rear end of these cars, but you could have made it a little bit easier. The first time I did it, it took forever. I just had to Google it and YouTube it to figure out how to change the headlight and the taillight in these things. So hopefully the newer ones are a little bit easier on those. The fifth thing I do not like about these things, the automatic's great. I have no problem with it. But there's the magnets in these things is a known issue. I wish they did a recall on these things, because it would throw off the. You can still put it in sport mode, I guess, and it still work, but you can't use the slap shift in it if you want to use the the 6-speed manual Tiptronic. You're gonna hold it entirely. Okay, the Triptonic slap shift gearbox. So that's like, it sucks because you kind of want it to work sometimes, and then it's like I don't use it. But I mean, that's it for right now. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. Try to post every Monday. I'll see y'all next time. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all next Monday. Y'all have a good one. Bye. I'm sorry, my mouth was open when I said that.